Hey guys, welcome back to Rogue Nana. We are here with Debs,
Hello.
and we're gonna do an autumn look for a classy nail. And we will start with a nail file, cuticle pusher. Don't forget to sterilize. Your friend needs to be clean, and so do you. Remember?
I showered.
Yes, I understand this, but I'm just saying overall, we need to sanitize our things.
Of course.
We always, every time we go shopping, I know she always gives me like the little sanitizer from her little bag, like, Nana. I'm like, yes, damn it.
Sanitize.
It's always, that's a key number one thing. For her nails right now in the video, you see it, we are trimming. Not a lot. It's just basically to shape the nail. I remember asking you what shape do you normally like. I'm a very square person.
So am I.
Very square. A square, you know?
SpongeBob.
But I also tell her that because we're square ladies, that we also need to round out that part, because if you've ever gone to your manicurist or if you've ever had nails like fake nails before, having just the square tapered part, sometimes those are the ones that crack the ugliest, because your nails technically are not supposed to be very sharp from that edge, because the more you do, the more pressure it gets. It's better just to round them out a bit. I know it's not full on square, but it's actually just better. So that's what we did with her. We rounded out her edges so they don't crack and continue to grow.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack. But okay. And after doing that, we did get the isopropyl and cleaned out the nail, which then leads us to the cuticle pusher and pushing her natural cuticle back. Not so far back because we're not going to do anything extreme. It's just a basic color. But I was asking her during this and on a different occasion honestly, I should have asked her then, always ask your client, your friend, whomever you're doing nails to at the time if it really hurts or not. But how was that feeling for you?
It was fine, except for one nail. You went a little too deep.
It
wasn't, something where I'd be like, it hurts.
No, yeah, and I get it. But, anything you do, even like filing, it's still just easy to ask if it's okay, if they're comfortable, if it's too harsh. I normally don't like filing nails all the time, but, sometimes you just need it. And we also have base coat, definitely of your choice. I was telling her that I got these at the 99. This one is, I can't remember the brand. SoCal? No. I think I have some around here. But anyway, this one's a nail hardener, and this one, it just helps to, if you have flimsy nails, it just helps them to strengthen. And I have had the best luck with this, even though I just did my fake nails yesterday. This one and another one that you'll see later on in this video are like my number ones. And now that this is popping up, add a second coat. Any base you have, for me, it works. Maybe it doesn't for everybody, and sometimes I do see other nail technicians do this, but I only see them use it once. But I think having it a second time, just like you do your regular color, would be nice to do it. But that's just me. And a little tip, if you want to help grow your nails longer, it works. Now we're going to go into the colors that she chose for her autumn look, which is the brown from Spoiled, and this is actually a Wet n Wild, a China Glaze Orange, and a Sassy Chic, which I got at the 99. These are actually really good nail polishes for being only $1. She saw, you're going to see the green, how it pops in her hand. They're really pretty colors. The China Glaze one, I've had it for a while, but it's a nice orange. I'm okay with it. The brown one, I'm not so keen of nude colors, but this brown one really did look nice. It did have that autumn feel for me. What did you think about this one?
I liked it. I'm a very nude girl sometimes. So.
My sister is too. And now that we're actually on the topic of the nudies and this nail polish, I don't know if you guys can see it, but damn it, I don't know if you guys saw it. Hopefully you guys did, and then you see this one, which is even brings more to the point. I was talking to Debs for a while on this, and I know she's gonna laugh at this, but I told her I have a weird preference for nail polish brushes. Like, I like them thick. Like, this one's still medium, But the brown one had the most thickest bristles, and that's like one of my favorites, at least for me. And then look at this, look at this. I think I even say it, like I even show her. Oh no, did I skip that?
I think you.
Oh yeah, yeah,
did.
look, see, yeah, yeah. So we do show it here, and I don't know, maybe because I have like the curviest nails, and I like thick brushes because I guess it just gets more of the.
It fills the whole nail.
It does. For me, I think if for me, when I do my own nails, I like it. When I do other people's nails, it's just better for me. It is a one-time thing.
Maneuvering.
Yeah, something about it. Here we actually end up using a matte and a top glossy top coat. So we ended up giving the brown ones a matte finish. We give these nails a glossy finish, and this little tape thing you see here, funny enough, I don't see a lot of people using this stuff anymore, but I remember when I bought it a while ago, I was like, I'm gonna use this. This is awesome, you know? This is the first time I actually used it.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yes, that was my first time.
You virgin.
My virginity was lost with this tape, even though it looked, obviously the video is sped up, but to me, this was the weirdest thing I've ever done because tape, you would normally use it for like a decoration, something to split from one color to another, but we use it as a decal, and
little highlight.
it works. It looks nice. It gives the orange and the green something of a pop because we put 3 strips on both. On the brown, however, we went with 1 strip, right? Right down the middle. It was 1, and I honestly, it looked cute because of the flatness, the flat background with that shiny gold pop. And see, look, this is what I mean by me being the virgin of this thing, because
I think she did like 3 times.
Yeah, I ended up cutting these things all weird. And granted, we only did 1 hand, but it's something to really work and play with. It's, look, I'm pretty sure I messed, yeah, the length, it was not even there. I had to bye-bye. Yeah, we had to redo that one. And it was fun. I think the other thing that I kind of didn't remember doing until much after, which you will see, I have to put a top coat for that to hold and seal. So we had to go with a glossy top coat in the middle, just really straight down the middle on that. And then add that matte right on the sides. And it wasn't, I actually thought it was going to be a little bit harder when I was like, damn it, I messed up. But no, it actually, the brush did well to just go on the sides that it needed. Because at the end of the day, everything looked pretty matted out. I don't know. These colors look really cute for autumn. It still has a Halloween-y feel. Or like what you were saying earlier. Like the Thanksgiving-ish.
Oh, yeah. Fall, Thanksgiving.
Fall, yeah.
If you don't want to go extreme, Halloween.
Very classy look. Something where if you don't want to put too much effort in it, this is the look. Oh, and then cuticle oil, hydrate, lotion, all that good stuff for your cuticles is the best. That helps your nail grow a lot as well. We're actually big into that because we love our nails, so we definitely need all the hydration we can possibly get. It's gonna work out better for you. Look at that. I'm actually pretty upset. I was telling her earlier that I thought this shot got the best out of this, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see better photos of this. This didn't do it justice. It actually just looked way too cute. Now for Halloween fun. Yeah! Halloween fun. Oh, see, I can't even emphasize enough how much you need a base coat. Obviously, we did the filing and the cuticle pushing way before this, but I didn't want to add in anymore. Kind of wanted to show you where we went for this look. This one was more Halloween-y than the last one. At least for me. We actually took longer on this hand just thinking about what we were going to do, what colors we were going to choose. Remember?
What spooky little things we were
What?
gonna add.
Yeah. which is obviously not bad. It's just you, you always refer to your client on what she wants. Oh, this is a good one. This one, I ended up telling her that I got these glitters from a craft store. I'm not sure if it was Michael's or Joann's, but all you did was add the glitter, add a top coat, mix it, and voila.
It was such a beautiful glitter
Oof.
orange.
Yeah. Something about this one, we were so mesmerized. It was adorable. It was gorgeous. Honestly, never seen something so, I can't even describe the word. Like, it's just delicious looking at it. Weirdly enough, that's the word, but it was a very pleasant look. And then we obviously used black. The one we didn't use here was purple, which, damn it. But the look came out cute because like orange, black, that glittery middle finger. And then we had the pointer, which was then transformed into a punky face. Wait, what were we going for this one again?
It was pumpkin, but it turned out more like a mix of a pumpkin Frankenstein looking thing with hair. I don't know. It was...
That okay, look, watch, you're gonna see it right here. We took out this little green pot because it has this like, you can't even,
like hay hair.
Like a hay hair, yeah. Weird. And I don't remember where I got this. This is obviously freaking old stuff I have because I have so much nail stuff. Like, at some point I will do like how my room looks with all my nail stuff, but Debs, you're witness to this. I have so much crap. It's not even funny.
I don't even know where she pulls out half the stuff. I'm like, wait,
where'd you get this?
This?
Yeah, it's an obvious overstatement of all the stuff I have, and all because I watch a lot of obvious YouTube videos, and I'm so intrigued. So I think that's the reason why I kind of also, it was my channel. I do different things because I like watching different things. So why not, But, oh, and then I remember putting the top coat on this for it not to like smear. Oh my. And then adding a little green hair around its face. Again, you might not see it on this video, but follow me on Instagram, and I swear that you will see the up close and personal photos.
Face and hair and everything.
Yeah. And you know what? When we start getting a little bit more into this, we'll start obviously working on the zooming ins and outs and figuring out how to do all this because this is fun. It's still a learning experience for both of us. Down to this audio, it's still a freaking learning experience. And I don't know how YouTubers do it. I'm overwhelmed at times. I have a twitchy eye right now for that same reason. It's not even funny. And I don't know. It is funny. Like, granted, I will still laugh at this, but it's only because I have Debs around because she keeps me grounded. As odd as that sounds for her being one of my greatest friends, she keeps me so grounded.
She's about to kick this whole thing.
Oh my Lord.
Forget this. I'm done. Done,
Yes.
done.
But, we work and we play hard, so... Oh, wait, we didn't even get the chance to say our caviar beads. She's like, I want these caviar beads. I'm like, yeah, let's do it.
Well, see, it didn't look like caviar until you put the polish on it, the clear coat.
That is true.
And then it looked weird. But it worked.
Because...
It worked.
Look at that. And this is how it worked, guys. Oh, can you see the little hairs? No, you can't.
No, you can't. Well, you could probably see them right there a little bit, but...
But thank you for watching, guys. You guys are amazing. We upload every Tuesdays and Saturdays. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.